You ever put something off so long that you get irritated and then finally you get up and get it done? Yeah, that's pretty much what happened today. And then there's this bag of laundry that has been sitting here for, I'm gonna go ahead and say 3 days. The closet in P&P's room has needed my serious assistance for quite some time now. Today, I finally got sick and tired of being sick and tired. So I'm gonna go through and clean out their closet. So I have to explain myself because I've been putting this off for days and days and days and days. The good news is these are actually clean clothes. This pile of stuff down here is a bag that was given to us by, I think, a family member. Preston gets tons of hand-me-downs. And sometimes I honestly just don't even know what to do with all of them because we have such limited space. And mind you, this pile of clothes goes all the way back under these shelves. This is everything that's left over that we're not going to keep. There's a ton of really good stuff here, so I don't know if I'm going to try to sell them online or donate them or what, but lots of really good stuff we're getting rid of. And now I can breathe. I feel so much better about the closet. Can you believe I did not get like a full pan of the closet all done? But from these clips, I hope you can tell that I cleaned it. Hey guys, I am on my phone, so I know this probably looks really grainy and pixelated and all of that stuff that makes like a horrible YouTube video, right? And sorry for it, but I wanted to just pop on and say really quickly that when I finished making the video that you just watched, I was originally thinking that I could sell the clothes on a site like Poshmark or something like that, and then something kind of just hit me that, you know what, I have a community of people here and I never know who might be in need. So I kind of just felt it on my heart that if anybody out there is in need of some toddler clothes, they're mostly toddler boy clothes. I have a couple of little girl pieces in there, but honestly, the first 2 people that shoot me an email that want some of this stuff, I can pack you up some of it and it is yours. I was gonna try to sell it and then I'm like, honestly, I don't have time to even go there. And the reality is the clothes were donated to me, so why sell them? You know, it's only right to keep the donation flow moving. And if I'm going to donate, then I would love to offer you guys first dibs at anything that's there. So there's shorts and jeans and shirts, and it's mostly boy stuff. It's all in really good condition still. And yeah, if you wanted to shoot me an email, I will link my email address in the description box below, and to let me know, hey, you know, you saw the video and you're interested in the clothes, and hopefully that helps somebody out, and if not, then I'm gonna go donate them anyway. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.